Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to monday.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've logged in and you're on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. This is where you'll find all your workspaces, boards, and navigation options. In the left panel, look for the plus icon. It's usually located near the top or middle section of the panel, and it's your gateway to creating new items in monday.com. Click on this plus icon and a menu will appear with several options for what you can create. From this menu, select Folder. This action tells monday.com that you want to create a new folder to organize your boards and forms. After selecting Folder, a text field will appear prompting you to name your new folder. Click into this field and enter your folder name. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for the boards or forms you plan to organize inside it. For example, you might name it Marketing Projects, Client Work, or Team Resources, depending on what you're using it for. This naming step is important because it helps you quickly identify and access the right content later. Once you've entered the folder name, the folder is created and will now appear in your left panel. You'll see it listed alongside your other boards and workspaces. Now comes the organizational part. To add boards or forms into this new folder, simply go to the left panel and locate the board or form you want to move. Click and hold on the board or form, then drag it over to the folder you just created. Release it when you see the folder highlight or when you're hovering over it. This dragging action moves the item directly into the folder, keeping everything neatly organized in one place. You can repeat this process for as many boards or forms as you want to add to the folder. It's a simple drag and drop action that makes managing multiple projects or workflows much easier. By grouping related boards together in folders, you'll have a cleaner workspace and faster access to what you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder in monday.com and organized your boards inside it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.